Yeah. We found an animal. Fish eagle. Can we go, please?
We're headed to Lake Chivero. It's still in Norton. This is after we've gone to Pakare Paye Art Center. So it's within the vicinity, and because I'd read about it, I want to come and find out. We want to come and see. It's $5 per adult, $2 per child. That's $18 for the car load. So Lake Chivero is a man-made lake, of course. Zimbabwe is landlocked, so there aren't any natural water bodies. So of course it was made to supply water to the indigenous people. So among the things we read about the lake was that it comes from Manyame River, and there's wildlife, there's bird life, there's rock paintings, and of course the scenic sceneries. As you can see right now, I love that there are many trees. So I can't wait to just go explore, and when we get here is when we discover that we can actually go hiking. So some of us who are in sandals were actually in trouble, because hiking in sandals is near impossible, and then it's like an overcast day. So anyway, my partner agrees to give me his sandals, which are like better than mine. I could walk in them, and he opts for some baggy sandals that my son has. My son had carried some walking shoes. We should have been like him and carried an extra pair of shoes. Anyway,
You are dancing there the other time. Dance. No. You are dancing. Wrong direction. Redirecting.
I handed some waters for this walk, so that's good, because we do not have any water. And some people are going to cry because because there's no water. So let's go. I'm really tired, guys. I'm not lying. I'm tired. I'm not even halfway. I don't feel like taking water. So it's going to be a hard walk.
I think I'm tripping, but
This looks so nice. And like it's a lot of water. This is it's like big. Like this is big. Literally. That's so big. Take a look at this view. This is so nice. Like this is big. It's a lake. A lake. What did I say? A lake. A lake.
just look at all of that water. Just look at all of that water. It's a lot. Compared to the dam we were in, it's very different. So this one is very, very big.
This is where the nature walk actually starts. So let's start this nature walk of one heck of a beauty of Zimbabwe.
As you can see, there is water hyacinth over here. Water hyacinth flourishes in places, in water bodies that have organic waste from nitrates. So this could be as a result of farms that are using
I found a dead
fertilizers.
fish.
Yeah, boy.
Look like a rock wall broke there while we're here in the forest in the middle of nowhere. So that's kind of creepy, I ain't gonna lie. But let's continue and see where I'm going to end up today. An abandoned house here.
Yeah,
Is
this one. So we've taken enough.
wild berries, Mike. Wild berries.
There's a fish eagle there. If you can see it. There's a fish eagle. We found an animal. Fish eagle. Yes, let's go, my guy. Let's go.
There are monkeys fighting. We can't see them, but we can hear them. Okay, they are coming here.
No.
Oh,
Can we go? Can we go, please? These
they are coming this way, guys. This is scary. No, this is scary, guys. Trying to go away and keep an eye on them. Yeah, we're going back. We're going back.
So basically, we are back. We are out of the forest. And there's this one heck big of a staircase, but it's so big. But first, I need to show you this, guys. Look at how high we are. This is crazy. Look at how high we are.
Just look at that. That is crazy. Just look at that. And then we have
This big ass slide. No, not slide. Why do I keep on calling it a slide? A staircase. Just look at it. Yeah, that's crazy. But I'm going to go down and see you guys when I'm back.
I found a wishing well. We are in Fulava's market. We are ordering food. This will be like dinner.
Yeah, it's dinner. It's 5:30. Yeah, it's dinner and it's a treat. We were not supposed to eat any takeaways, but we are celebrating. We're celebrating our TV interview and the opportunities it has opened for us. So yeah,
So that's why we're here.
Yes.
Everyone is happy.